We have been expecting you. We are here today to welcome you, one and all, to a celebration, a festival of the Lion King.
Welcome to our world. Oh, to belong, Hululala.
In this land, we welcome you.
To our world.
Maribu.
Oh,
Welcome. We are a band of singers who travel with Simba and his friends throughout the land with this celebration. Time for introductions. My name is Kiume and I am the leader of our group. Kiume is Swahili for masculine and strong. What do you think? Next we have Nakawa.
Which is Swahili for good looking.
Hey, good looking.
And this is Kibibi.
Which means impatient.
It means princess.
And finally, we have Zawadi.
Which is Swahili for the gift. Yes, I said the gift. And if you want to stay good looking, you best back off that attitude, mister.
Okay. Hey everyone, I think I hear them coming.
Wonderful. Right on time. Everyone, listen. It's time. And now, I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
Come on everybody, get ready to clap your paws. Stomp your hooves and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the celebration of Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin.
I just can't wait to be king.
Hiya, folks. How you doing? Don't worry, your old buddy Timon is here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
Timon! Glad you could make it. We can't have this celebration without you. Don't worry, friend. You'll get your time in the spotlight.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
Hello?
Hello, Clover.
Look at me. I'm in a parade.
And you're looking good. Love your
winner. Let me hear your trumpet triumphant.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Paul, Timon.
Look, everyone, it's the Lion King. Welcome, Simba. You're right on time.
Hey, guys. It looks like we're all here. Let's go.
Every creature of the world can sing.
See,
Let's hear it in the herd harmony. It's gonna be King Simba's finest.
Simba's finest bling.
Oh, I just can't wait.
All together now.
Here I come, big star coming through. Meerkat on a mission here. It's showtime. All right, now move aside. That's enough. Let's settle down. For the last time, I want quiet. Thank you, Maestro. If you please. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase! Hakuna Matata! Ain't no passing craze! Hey, Popo, what are you doing over there? My little legs can't make it down off this float! Oh, gee, that's too bad. Guess I gotta do a solo. Hakuna Matata! What's going on here? Well, this stinks. Sorry. No, not you, Pumbaa. They're ruining my big number. Come on, everybody, you know the words. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. Ain't no worries for the next few days. It's a problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata! That's a motto. What's a motto? I don't know. What's a motto with you? Hey, Maestro, what's with the music? Something tells me this ain't the floor show. Ah! Hey, what the... Hey there, big fella. Hey, nice hat. So, where you from? Yikes!
Know that your powers of retention are as rent as a warthog's backside. But think as you are, pay attention. My words are a matter of pride. It's clear from your vacant expressions. The lines aren't all on the phrase. But we're talking kings and successions. Even you can be thought unaware. For the chance of a lifetime, be prepared for sensational news. A shining new era is tiptoeing nearer. And where do we feature? Just listen to teacher. I know it sounds sordid, but you'll be rewarded when at last I am given my news. And injustice deliciously squared. Be prepared. white honor became undisputed, respected, saluted, and seen for the wonderland. Yes, my teeth and ambitions are there. Be prepared. Yes, my teeth and ambitions are there. Be
There's a calm surrender to the rush of day when the heat of the rolling world can be turned away.
An enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. Can you feel the love tonight? The peaceful evening breeze over once in perfect harmony with all its living things. Can you feel the love tonight? You need its love to find. The night sun sets, love is where we the world for once in perfect harmony with all its living things.
The world in perfect harmony with all its living things. That, my friends, is a time for joyous celebration. For when all things exist in balance, it is then we are all connected in the great circle. The circle of life.
Thinking of stepping to the side. There's more to see than can ever be seen. More to do than can ever be done. There's far too much to take in here. More to find than can ever be found.
everybody. It's time to kick off our celebration finale.
Sounds great, Simba.
Let's have a party.
You heard him, everyone. Here we go.
Baby, there is more than a lion sleeping tonight. I know we can do better than that.
I think we're gonna need some help from them. Kimimi, you and I will sing the Weemoys, and we're gonna need everyone in these two sections to clap along, okay? Like this.
Fine, and somebody will sing the hard part. Okay, everyone in our sections, wave your hands over your head like this. Yes, that's it.
Are you two ready?
Habibi, observe.
That's right. We'll sing the high part.
And we will sing the Weemoys.
Cool, sing the melody.
Step aside, out of the way, professional artiste coming through. Me, 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 me. Excuse me, my human friends. I guess that leaves me to sing the melody. So, if you're finished with all the talking, can we start already?
All right, Timon. Well, let's take it from the top.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps
So, what do you think?
I think it's pretty clear. Our sections were the best!
Hold on there a minute. I think it's pretty clear, all right? Pretty clear that our sections were the best.
You know what I think?
What?
I think it's time to finish the song. My darling, don't be my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Give yourself a big hand. Great job. Come on, Jack. Let's take it home. It means no worries on the rest of your days. It's a problem-free philosophy. A curious time.
Surprise, yeah.
this thing on? Okay. Hello there, this is Timon. We hope you enjoyed the show. It was great having you with us. You were a lovely group, the best audience ever. Now please, get out!